Hello, this is day three of the technical session of the 2021 International Sucker Rod Pumping Virtual Workshop. Um, it's February the 12th. It's a Friday. This is sponsored by the Artificial Lift Research and Development Council, ALRDC. Today's technical session consists of three separate sessions that are 1.5 hours long. The first session starts at 8 a.m. and is on design, optimization, automation challenges part one. And then we have a keynote speaker and panel beginning at 10:30. In fact, there's two speakers, and they're going to discuss implementing the best practices to provide equal opportunity in the oil and the gas industry. And then the panel will be a discussion of diversity and inclusion. So that's going to be an interesting keynote talk. And then the afternoon, we'll have another session that is made up of, again, three one half hour, one it's a half 1.5 hour long, 30-minute segments. And the first one is pumping the unpumpable wells. And then the last segment, the last 30 minutes, will be the closing statement by the Dr. Victoria Pons. We'll have door prizes, the bingo card results. You have to be present to win. So we're going to now listen to each of the presenters for about a minute, talk about their talk, just a brief introduction. Before I start that, though, I want to just say that between 9:30 and 10:30, the exhibits will be open, and you'll have time to go to the exhibits. There's also time in the morning before the workshop starts at 8, and then we'll also have a break between 12 and 12:30 in the afternoon. So enjoy your day today. Participate, ask questions, and let's hear what the presenters have to say.
Hello, everyone. My name is Catalin Teodoriu. I'm with the University of Oklahoma. And today I would like to share with you a paper called Conceptual Real-Time Digital Driven Cycle Pumping Unit that we have developed it for academic learning and commercial application. My co-authors are Opeyemi Bolo, Endok Tran, and Hamid Karami. All of them, of course, from the University of Oklahoma. It's our team on Sakharov pump research and development, and hopefully some of them they will attend my presentation today, and they will be available for questions as well.
Hello, my name is Michael Kelly, and I will with Advanced Energy Solutions. My presentation today is on technology that will reduce your well interventions, will reduce your downhole gas interference, while at the same time providing you north of an average of 90% pump fill. So before we look at that technology, I want us to look together at some of the technologies and the fluid velocity of those technologies that are on the market today. But before we get there, I want to ask you a question. What does every downhole gas separator need to do to be successful? That is the question. What does it need to do?
Hello, everyone. I'm Ramakrishna Prabhu. I'm a global senior product specialist with Weatherford for rod lift and VSG automation. Along with me, I have Arun Kumar, who is our professional services engineer with Weatherford. Today, we are going to be presenting here the rod lift bed optimization using autonomous control to efficiently manage the speed of the pumping system to achieve target fillage and increase production on VSD operated rod lift valves. Both Arun and I will be available at the end of the presentation to answer any follow-up questions.
This is a slide we have for the keynote speakers. Sam and Nawar are women that serve in the field and are both for operation of oil and gas wells, and they encourage their female peers to and colleagues to take on similar aspirations and opportunities. So this will be a 1.5 hour session with a keynote talk, Q&A, and then the panel will be a diversity and inclusion panel discussion.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark Turland. I'm the Artificial Lift Advisor for Western Falcon Energy Services. This is a combined presentation between Western Falcon Energy Services and Weatherford. We're going to talk about sucker rod pumping unpumpable wells. And for the sake of this presentation, we kind of define unpumpable as very high volume, deep, unconventional wells. And we're going to talk about technologies to address those.
Hello, welcome to our presentation today. I want to firstly thank the Artificial Lift Research and Design Council for allowing us to present today and share some exciting new technology developments with respect to downhole separation for rod pumping and for ESP pumping and PCP pumping. Thank you very much. Nextly, I want to say our title of our presentation is Enhancing Downhole Gas and Solid Separation and Lowering Operational Risk by Taking Advantage of Multi-Phase Flow Reversals. I'd like to also thank my co-authors of this presentation, Brandon Penner from Calix Energy 3 LLC in Oklahoma, Dr. Nan Nagu from Nagu and Associates LLC, and Scott Corral from Silver Energy Services LLC.
The last 30 minutes of our workshop will be conducted by Dr. Victoria Pons. She'll give a closing statement. We'll give away door prizes, and the people that won the bingo will also get their award. The awards will be potentially emailed or mailed to you. But you must be present at the last session to be able to win. So if you're, even though it's a virtual conference, we want you to hang in there to the end and be present. Even if you're virtual, you're still going to be online. And if you're there, we'll send you the door prizes. So we'd like to also give a great thanks to the sponsors of our workshop, and we look forward to you guys attending, and thank you for attending, and we'll see you in June at the Gas Lift Workshop. Thank you.